Welcome to Amsterdam, capital city of the Netherlands. The building was renovated and reopened in 2011.
Poverty-stricken boats. You gotta press the button to get on the train too. But I think they're trying to take off, so let me. Hopefully I ain't slow nothing down. I'm sorry. Otherwise it won't open for you. It's police talking to all the black folks. Pretty sure it's this way, so let's just see. One more thing. Mama dit dan als ze het drukt.
Today.
Dutch pancake master. So y'all known for y'all pancakes out here? I've been seeing a few of these spots. Main thing you see out here is Argentinian food. So I think it's right next door. They keep talking about these Dutch pancakes. Of course, the stroop and the Belgian waffle. I ain't in Belgium. I didn't even have time for a quick tour. Damn pigeons.
At least we know where they are.
What time is it now? We're back at 3:15. There's one leaving right now. That's awesome. How you doing?
Find the locker for the suitcase.
Okay. When is the next one leaving though?
This one is almost full. I feel like 20 minutes with departure.
How long?
I feel like 20 minutes.
Every 20 minutes. So I see the price for the canal tours though. And I see maybe this the spot to come and get the tours now, because before you could just walk up and down the actual canal. And you know, it would be boats lined up all day. We're gonna check out this one. It's an hour tour. Look like it's the same price. He said maybe they'll let us bring our luggage. We got our suitcases because we're catching our train, our Eurostar out of here soon. How you doing?
Well,
When's the next tour leaving?
14:30.
14:30.
So in about 17 minutes. It's this boat.
And will we be able to bring our bags?
You can leave them in here, pick them up when we come back.
Okay. And this 1 hour we'll be back at
Yes.
15:30 here?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hey man, he said we can leave our bags here. He said to leave at 14:30, get back at 15:30. You look kind of. What did we have to do to get in there last time? I don't even remember like no major security. It's up to you. I know you don't like cutting it close, but the train is right here. We'll come back 30 minutes to get back there. And they don't even show the platform. We have 10 minutes before they even show the platform.
You want to do it?
Yeah, man. We just got to be on it when we get back, you know. We buy the tickets here and there.
Yeah, inside.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. They sell alcoholic drinks for consumption in the boats. I'm sure they get their money on the boat. We're gonna try to make it, man. Shout out to Ant, because I know he didn't want to do it. We're gonna take this tour and get it, bring us back at 3:30 on the dot. And we right across the street from the train. So we'll be right here. How you doing?
Are you recording?
Yeah,
How much
yeah.
did it cost you?
A couple. So we on the boat. That's the little intro music they got. Turn the mic on for this one.
Welcome to our beautiful city of Amsterdam, and welcome aboard this unique canal cruise.
To make this journey as safe and pleasant as possible, please follow these rules of the boat. Please do not stand on the chairs or benches. The space behind the captain should be kept free of any objects. And whatever you do, please keep your arms and head inside the boat at all times. Some of the bridges are very low, and they come up suddenly.
Remember, this is a non-smoking cruise.
When you exit the boat, please check and double-check that you have all your belongings with you. Any questions? Your captain is here to assist you. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the cruise.
Welcome to Amsterdam, capital city of the Netherlands. What better way to experience this compact and very international city than from the unique perspective of its waterways? There certainly are a lot of them. This city has over 100 kilometers of canal. Amsterdam is known for being friendly, open-minded, and progressive. It's a popular place to visit and do business. Just think, in a population of only 800,000 people, you can meet 170 different nationalities.
This area's rich history adds a sparkle that's never far below the surface. During the 17th century, Amsterdam shone especially bright, like gold. This golden age was an extraordinary time, and painters like Rembrandt and Vermeer produced remarkable art.
Was reclaimed from the sea. Ramparts were raised, and canals were cut as part of an ever in the sea.
They said Amsterdam got more canals than Venice. I didn't know that. 60
The
miles.
building with flags atop it is the former Schenkvaart House, or shipping house. A group of shipping companies ran their businesses from here. This early 20th century building is considered to be the first true example of the Amsterdam school style of architecture. The front of the building is impressively adorned with statues of Neptune, his wife, and 4 figures that represent the points of the compass. The building is decorated inside and out with all kinds of nautical symbols, anchors, ships, and famous Dutch mariners. We are now in the Oosterdam, or East Harbor. It was constructed at the beginning of the 19th century. The famous Italian architect, Renzo Piano, designed Nemo as an inverse reflection of the A tunnel, which runs beneath it. The building's height equals the depth of the tunnel. Nemo gets its green color from the oxidated copper that covers its wall. There were originally 2 docks constructing and arming warships of the Dutch Republic, with cannons and other weapons. A replica of a trade ship called the Amsterdam is now docked outside the museum, giving insight into just how small and cramped sailing conditions were.
The building was renovated and reopened in 2011. A beautiful domed glass roof was installed over the spacious inner courtyard.
Somebody with some money on that board.
Okay, the ship, the Samadhi, 60 meters long, and purchase price was 42,500,000.
42 million.
And you can lease it for a week for
42.5.
365,000 euros.
Ah, so they rented
For
that.
12 guests.
I know somebody with some paper got that. It's clean.
The canals were built in 3 phases, starting at the west side of the city and moving east. They reached this area, the Plantage, toward the end of the 17th century.
In 2013, Amsterdam's botanical garden, the Hortus Botanicus, celebrated its 375th anniversary, making it one of the oldest in the world. It began as a modest medicinal herb garden and grew substantially during the Golden Age, as Dutch explorers traveled to the East and West Indies and other faraway places.
Poverty-stricken boats. Not this on the court. See, it's been neglected. See if we can catch another one where somebody living. One of the houses, some of the houseboats. Shit, somebody was in their living room.
We are now approaching Brouwersgracht, or the Brewers Canal. This canal was part of the city's 17th century expansion. It connects the three main canals, the Herengracht, the Keizergracht, and the Prinsengracht, and used to form the northwest border of the city.
The RASDollas Museum is located in North Amsterdam, a city suburb. It's the white building with the unique architecture.
Okay, on the right, there is Tamrak again, the old mouth of the river Amstel, so that means almost the end of the tour. I hope you all enjoyed it, a nice impression of Amsterdam. Thank you for cruising with our company. Don't forget your personal belongings when you leave the boat. Enjoy the rest of your stay in this beautiful city and have a very nice day. Thank you very much.
You just step right into the front door of the buildings off the water. The staircase that leads you right to the street.
No, I think I'm going to get something else.
Everybody is glad.